Hello everyone, in today's video I'll be showing you how to change your email address on Alibaba in just a few steps. Okay, so let's get started. So guys, if you don't know how to change your email address on Alibaba, you don't have to worry about that because I'll be showing you that one in today's video. Okay, so first thing we need to do guys is, of course, you need to go to our Alibaba website, of course. And after logging in your account, guys, you just have to go to the top right corner, and you will see here a lot of options. What you need to do, guys, is to look for the human icon. Okay, so this one, guys. So on its drop down, you will see here a bunch of options also, but you just have to go to account. Okay, this one. So we just have to wait. So here we have the account information, account security, and also the preferences. So under the account security, we have here change password, change email, and change phone number, and also delete account. So what we're gonna do, guys, is you just have to click this change email. Okay, so we just have to wait. Okay, so first thing, guys, is we need to verify our identity by receiving an email from Alibaba. So after confirming that, guys, or verifying that one, so you're good to go. So that's it, guys. So I hope you enjoy and learn from these quick tutorials, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials on Alibaba. Thank you.